Namaste, welcome to Sanriya Finvest. Want a safe investment that gives you good returns and is directly backed by the Government of India? The RBI Floating Rate Savings Bond 2020 could be just right for you. In this video, we will show you exactly how to apply step by step. So let's get started. Open your browser and go to www.sanriya.in. On the website, go to Service tab, click on Bonds NCDs and look for the RBI floating rate bond on this page. The link to download the application form is right there. Click and download the form, then print it on A4 size paper. One thing to remember, the bank does not give out printout forms, you must bring your own printout. A field sample form is also available on the same page. Refer to it while filling your form to avoid errors. Now fill in the form carefully using block letters. Here is what you will need to fill in: your full name, address, PAN number and date of birth, your bank account number and IFSC code. Your interest will be credited here every 6 months. The amount you want to invest starting from 1000 in multiples of 1000. There is no upper limit. There is also information for nominee's name and details below. Broker code 282347. Make sure to enter this in the broker code field on the form. Make sure everything you write matches your PAN card and bank records exactly. Once done, make a photocopy of the field form for yourself before you submit it. Along with your field form, you will need to attach these documents: PAN card self-attested photocopy, then Aadhaar card and address proof self-attested photocopy. Note, if you are submitting Aadhaar card as address proof, the non-debity form is also required. One cancel check of your bank account for receiving interest and maturity payments. Payment: a check or DD drawn in favor of HDFC Bank RBI Floating Rate Saving Bond 2020. If paying by RTGS or NEFT, keep your bank issue UTRN transaction slip ready. In some special cases, you may also need this. If someone else is applying on your behalf with a power of attorney, the original PO document must be submitted along with a self-attested copy. If you are investing on behalf of a minor, submit the original birth certificate from the child's school or municipal authority along with a self-attested copy. There is no demat option for this bond. Your investment will be recorded in a bond ledger account similar to a bank passbook entry. Before you go to the bank, take a photo of your filled form and send it to us on WhatsApp. Our number is 9175193456 or 9175937625. Our team will go through it and let you know if anything needs to be corrected. It only takes a few minutes and it can save you an extra trip to the bank. This check is completely free. We want to make sure your application goes through smoothly the very first time. Once your form is checked and ready, then take it to any listed bank branch in your city along with all your documents and your payment. To find the nearest branch, visit the RBI bond page on sanriya.in and check the submission center list for your city. The bank will process your form and give you an acknowledgement slip. Keep it safe. It is your proof of investment. If your city is not on the list, you can courier your complete document to Sanriya Finvest Services, Kamdhenu 2nd floor, Senapati Bapat Road, Shivajinagar, Pune. Once your application is processed, your investment gets recorded in a bond ledger account, also called a BLA. Think of it as your official investment record, just like a passbook. From this point, your interest money will be sent directly to your bank account every 6 months, automatically through NEFT. No action needed from your side. And after 7 years, the full amount you invested will also be returned to the same bank account. And a tip, consider reinvesting this interest through a SIP to make sure your money work even harder for you. Speak to us at Sanriya and we will help you choose the right option. The bond is non-transferable and will not be tradable in the secondary market. It can only be passed on to your nominee or legal heir in the event of your passing. Here is a quick recap: 6 simple steps to invest in RBI Floating Rate Savings Bond 2020. So step 1. Visit www.sanriya.in, open the RBI bond page, download and print the application form on A4 paper. Step 2. Fill the form carefully in block letters, PAN, bank details, amount, nominee and broker code 282347. Step 3. Attach required documents, PAN card, Aadhaar address proof, cancel check, DD or UTR and slip. Step 4. Send form photo to Sanriya on WhatsApp for a quick review. The WhatsApp number is 9175193456 or 9175937625. Step 5. Submit at your nearest designated bank branch. Collect your acknowledgement receipt from the bank. Step 6. Receive bond ledger account and start earning 8.05% interest credited every 6 months. Maturity after 7 years. That's all it takes. 6 simple steps to start earning a safe government-backed return on your savings. Have questions? We are just a call or WhatsApp away. Thank you for watching. Invest smart and grow your wealth with Sanriya Finvest.